Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to have a look at how we calibrate our battery to our RadioMaster Boxer radio. Now we try and do it while the battery is under load, and I'm going to be using a cheap multimeter. The more expensive one, the better one you can get, the better. But I'm doing this for demonstration purposes. So we are going to switch over to the radio and the multimeter, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's a very quick and easy process. We just need to go into the system menu on our radio and go and dial in the voltage as per the multimeter if it's different to what the radio is stating. So let's switch over to the radio. Now let's have a look. This might be a little bit difficult trying to do this in front of the camera. So what I'm going to do is take the back off my radio. And you can see what makes it easier for the using the 6200 milliamp hour battery is I've got an XT30 there that I can plug into. So what I'm going to do is turn this over carefully, pop it onto the bench, and make sure that I can get to this. There you go. So all we're going to do is let's push this over there a bit so we've got some space. We're going to turn our radio on. Now you can see we're showing 7.7 there, but we can get a more accurate setting by going to the system and going back over to the hardware calibration and then scroll to the bottom. And if we go up, you'll see there's the voltage. It's now battery's calibrated, it's saying 7.6968. So as I said, buy yourself, this is a cheap multimeter that I bought in the UK. My expensive one is back in South Africa waiting to be shipped. But I wanted to show you how to do this. Now I have already tested this and it was very accurate. So there we go. Hopefully you can see that on the screen. It's saying 7.66 volts and we're saying 7.69. Now on here, if we click enter, you can't adjust it to exactly what the 7.66. So we've got there 7.63, 7.69. So that would be, it's going to 8. So that would be the closest. So we click enter and there we go. We've now calibrated our battery. Now I've only had this happen once where it was quite a way out, but every other radio I've done has almost been absolutely accurate. But it is worth testing it, but just be careful that you don't short anything out. As I said earlier, if you're using 18650, take the pack that holds the two out and then just measure it there, not under load. But it's preferable to do it under load if you can. So there we go. So we can just return out of here, go back to the screen. You can see 7.7 because it's rounding it up. And there we go, simple process. Just be careful when you're doing this, because if you short the battery out, it's not going to be very good for your radio, so you must be careful. If you're at all worried, what I would do is, if you've got 18650s, take the battery pack out, test it there, then put it in, and then do your measurements. And you should be good to go. Well, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below, because I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy flying. Bye for now.